You can crochet this beautiful twisted headband in less than 1 hour, and to crochet this you just have to make 13 double crochets for the foundation. So first off, I'll do a foundation of double crochets in the multiples of 6 plus 1, so chainless foundation. I'm using a weight 3 yarn and a 4mm hook. Here I have 13 double crochets. So to start again, chain 1, pull this loop and into the same stitch and make your double crochet and double crochet, 1 double crochet in each stitch. So for the next round you chain 1, and the chain 1 is not a stitch, so we will make 4 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, and yarn over, skip 2 on the third stitch, make 5 double crochets in the same space. 2, 3, 4, 5, skip 2 and you will have single crochets and single crochet in each stitch again. And for the next round you chain 1 and you pull this again and double crochet in the same space, and you will have double crochets, 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, and on the foot stitch here you will have 3 double crochets in the same space. And you skip 1, 2 on the third single crochet, skip 1, 2 on the third, 3 double crochets. And then you will have 1 double crochet in each stitch again, so 1, 2, and 3, like that. And for the next round again you will have 4 single crochets, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and you skip 2 and on the third stitch make 5 double crochets again. 2, 3, 4, and 5. One round you will have with 1 shell, and in the next round have 3 double crochets from each side of the shell, and you skip 2 and on the third single crochet, and then you will have 3 single crochets again. then chain 1. If you find it difficult to do what I did here with the double crochet, so chain 1 and make a single crochet into your first stitch, pull that a little and insert your hook in there and make another single crochet. That will do as a first single crochet, so I mean a first double crochet. So you have two choice here, one is this one and the other is here, so we'll have 2 more double crochets. So 3, and on the single crochet space here 3 double crochets. 3, skip 2 and single crochet on the third, skip 2 and 3 double crochets. We repeat the 2 rounds only and you'll have 3 double crochets. 1, 2 and 3, like that. So for the next round, chain 1 and you will have 4 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4. You skip 2 and work your shells again. Four and 5, skip 2 and on the third single crochet and you will have 3 more single crochets. This is what you get so far, and continue just like this. And I like my headband to be at 8 inches, so make this fabric about 16 inches long, okay, because when you fold that in half we will have 8. So when you are at least, these 2 rounds here counts 1 inches, so when you have 15 inches from here, for the last 1 inch we will do this same stitch with the double crochet. So I'll show you. This will be my last round here with the shell stitch. And to match the same stitch here, I am just going to work with 2 rounds of double crochets here, okay. One double crochet in each stitch. So 1 more round, after that I'll show you what to do. So cut your yarn not too short, and secure. Here you will need your needle, so take the 2 ends like this and fold, and then do this. You will have 4 layers of sewing here. Okay, so firstly I'll just pass this needle through that, and this is 1, 2, and then you have this one here, 3, and this one, 4 layers. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again 1, 2, this is 3 and 4. 1, 2, and then this one's here, 3 and 4. Make sure you get all 4 layers. Okay, and you sew until it's secure. Cut your yarn and turn, and this is what you get, a twisted headband. Like this. So if you want to have more, if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe and like the video. Thank you so much.